Yeah, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, let us understand how to make hospital management online project. So it's a web application project. So here we written this project in ASP.NET with C# as a backend as a SQL server. First, let us understand why we require online project. So we know like nowadays everything is going online. Even hospital want to make the things online. So now every hospital want to be online, therefore they can reach the patients easily. Also, they can the doctors who are working in the hospital can know like what are the consultations they are having. So when they need to visit the hospital, how many consultations are there. So therefore, even doctor get the benefit. And also the documents is concerned, patient documents, they are available online. So therefore, for doctors it will be very useful. So let's understand what are the main things we can add up in the project. So before that, you can understand like this project can be written in ASP.NET. Apart from this, we can also write in JSP or PHP or in Python. So we talk about the entry level project, particularly for the student who are doing the CS course. There is a computer science course, and as part of your curriculum, if you need to do a project, so this video is very useful for you because you need to understand how the whole online project like hospital management will work. Apart from this, if you're looking for the job, then you need an experience. Then you have to try this project and get an experience. So probably in the hospital segment, you can able to get the job. For so project for college project or the job aspirant, both this video is very useful. Now, what are the options we can do? Because we know this is the hospital. So here are two important components. One is a doctor. So doctor will go come to the hospital. The other one is a patient. So patient will visit the hospital. So then doctor has to see him like so the doctor will view the patient and then the reports whatever is needed it will be generated online and everything will be stored in the web server. So next time when the patient come, so here hospital will have employees. They'll fix up the consultation. So with the doctor. Therefore, the patient can call the employee and then take the consultation, or they can come to hospital, they'll get the consultation. So therefore, the corresponding time, the doctor has to come and they has to see the patient. Apart from this, operations and all, so will be take place in the same way. Therefore, patient can take the consultation timing. So do that particular time, doctor will come to hospital and they'll see the patient. So apart from the lot of things we can do. So like patient details can be updated. Once you update it, you don't need to update again. Second, patient reports we can put it online. So therefore that is available next time the doctor see that. And lab report we can upload. We can upload pictures. So therefore all patient related activities will be uploaded to system. Therefore all patient details will be available for the doctors. Therefore patient don't need to carry any paper, lab report, or any other X-ray sheet or other reports and all no need to carry because everything is uploaded online. So doctor can view all these things and based on that they can write the prescription. Even the prescriptions will be stored online. So the doctor know what is the previously given prescription and all, so they can able to check it actually. So these are the major things in the hospital management. This is what we're going to cover in this project. And I'll show you this project in ASP.NET. And if at all if you require any projects or you require any customized projects, so please contact us. Now let's just look at the demo. So we are in Visual Studio. So you can see that this is a Solution Explorer. Here we have all the files, hospital management. Three modules. One is a doctor module, one employee module, and the admin module. On the other side, you have a server explorer. If I expand this, you have a tables. So these are tables which are using in this project. So first we'll run the project. So to run this, you have to click on IIS Express. So this will open in the Chrome, right? So we can enter here. We can go to admin login. So then you have to log in as admin with admin credentials. So here options are very simple. So department details. What are the departments are there that we can enter here? Dental, eye care. So if you want to enter one more department, so you can enter as a general. category, so all general related subject. Then art, that I can record as a cardiology. Fine. So now you can see that we are improved it. So now there are 4 departments. Likewise, we can enter all the departments in the hospital. So city, which are the cities we cover? So that is the thing. So let's say Bangalore. Next, employee list details. Who are all the employees working here? So we can enter the employee details here. And the doctors. Who are all the doctors working here? We can put all the doctors details. So you can go to doctor detail, doctor code. I'll take as a D3. Doctor name, Raghunandan. Address, right. So here is a mobile number and email ID and department. Okay. So this is general segment. So you can take general. Created successfully. So now if you go to list, you can see that there is a general doctor. So FAQs are frequently asked questions. That all the questions and answers we can type here. Now we'll move as a patient, employee. Enter employee login. So we should have employee code and the corresponding password. Password is not correct. Fine. So here first they can enter the patient details. If the new patient comes, so we need to enter all the patient details here. Okay. So tech is Ravish. So address we need to type the complete address, then email ID, Bangalore city, date of birth. So male and O positive. So patient ID is 1002. So then consultation. So health problems. So this is 1002. So what is the problem? So let's say stomach pain. So stomach pain from past 1 week. So treated by, what is the doctor name? So can give Raghunandan. So details. Given XYZ tab, not much improved. So this is the present condition. So all that is recorded. Next is the consultation. So now 100 patient is go to general. So here which doctor you want to do? General doctor. Okay. So general D3. Okay. So D3 is the code actually. So that is a Raghunandan. So consultation fee 300 rupees. Consultation date, what date you want. Okay. So 10/3/2021. Timings, then problem, stomach pain. So registration is successful. So the next is the billing actually. So before billing, so we go to the doctor page and we'll see the consultation, and doctor has to see the patient. So therefore you go to doctor login. Fine. So all doctor list, appointment list, you can see that one appointment is there for this particular doctor. So inpatient details. So if you click this, so this is what the details our doctor will get. So now doctor has to check the patient again and they need to give the suggestions. So therefore it's stomach pain. So for last 1 week, suggested XYZ 2 tablet. Okay, consult next week. Right, so these are the details, we can submit it here. Now again, So the employee has to do the billing. So if there are some procedures and if they're hospitalized, and we can do the billing here. So patient name. So we can call that, but now presently is not calling because selecting the ID. So immediately name has to come. Bill detail. Um, Admitted. Sorry, for 1 day. So bill amount is 2,500. Treated by Raghunandan. So remarks, nothing. Submit. So the bill will be generated. So if you go to billing report, that is there here. So we can also see the patient details here. Fine. So employee can do the billing and then he can generate the bill and he can collect the money from the patient. On the other side, doctor can check the patient and they can give the suggestions. Fine. So these are the options which are provided here. So probably you have to provide one more view patient details in the doctor actually. So doctor has to see the patient detail. So that link should be here also. If it is there, it's much more better because when the patient comes, the doctor can get the patient details completely and based on that they can understand what is the previous problems. Fine. So that can be added very easily. So you need to provide one more link and what of this page is there. So that you need to make one more page and then you need to call it here. That is the logic. Fine. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, let me know what are the doubts. So also you can visit our channel. So here if you go to iBlix tutorials and you can able to see all the videos here. So we have a lot of videos related to the project. So if you're doing any CS course and you need to do a project, so please check out our channel listing. Therefore you will get a better project. So therefore you can choose the right project and you do that project and you get a good marks. Thank you.